Hey guys, I just want to make a quick video, guys and gals. I want to make a quick video on a tip for you all, because I come across it every once in a while. What am I talking about? I'm talking about windows where the customers have been smoking inside, vape shops, and then just greasy windows, you know, especially in restaurants or even sometimes in people's houses. And my procedure for these are all the same. What I like to do is just use a lot of Dawn dish soap. So any kind of dish soap, I suggest Dawn because Dawn is highly concentrated. It just cuts through, you know, the nicotine. The nicotine. It can be on the windows. And then with vape shops, usually those aren't as bad as, say, cigar shops. Cigar shops are the absolute worst. Those kind of shops, if I were you and someone wanted you to clean their cigar shop and there's people inside smoking cigars, I would not do it. You will ruin your water every single time. You'll ruin your mops, and you'll use so much soap. It's not like so much soap that it's not worth it, but it's just a pain in the butt. So I would suggest, if you get this kind of jobs, try to suggest outside only. And if you get them, tell them that you're going to have to do it every single week to keep up with getting the smoke, getting that haze off the glass, because it is just super hard to cut through. Even with a lot of soap, your squeegee will have a hard time moving on the glass. So if you have vape shops, you have customers with heavy smoke on the inside of the house, they're smoking inside the house. It doesn't happen as much now as it used to happen, but I had a customer today where it happened, and it just kind of reminded me of what procedure I use to do it. And I'll also use some sort of non-abrasive scrub pad, so if there's tint, I'll use just a white pad so I don't scratch it. But anything else, I'll use the bronze wool or the steel wool to really grind out that grease or the nicotine smoke on there. So just, if you have any kind of jobs like that, use a lot of dish soap, put it right in your mop, or even just put it right in the glass and work it in there. If you don't have a lot of soap and you're trying to do it some other way, it will not work. You'll leave streaks everywhere. It is the only way to cut through that nasty film that those kind of things leave on glass. So I hope that tip helps you out. If you're kind of new, it should definitely help you out. But if you have any questions, comment below, and we'll talk to you guys later. Have a good day.